Hey guys, in this Matterport short, going upstairs, when is the best time to switch from first floor to second floor, or how do you even do that? Let's get started. All right, here we are scanning this house. We are about to go up the stairs. So we came back and scanned right near 61 and got 65. Now I went up the steps about 4 steps and I'm gonna scan again. And then I am gonna move it up to the landing just enough, again about 4 or 5 steps, and I'm going to scan again. Now below this area is the storage area, and that is going to cover, the landing's going to cover that. So I'm going to actually change 67 to floor 2, I mean 68. So when I'm using the Ricoh or the Insta cameras, I love these iPhone, mobile phone tripod stands, like 20-30 bucks on Amazon. You can shrink them down so they fit on the stairs, move them around. But besides that, so this next one, this was 37 and 38 is right here. And below here is that under the stairs storage. And I want to show that on the floor plan, and it'll be a little bit easier for the people making the floor plan to see it if I don't have like a layer above it. So I'm gonna scan here, but I'm gonna make this floor 2. And you still have to stay in line with your previous scan. You can't just jump to floor 2 and start all over at a different spot. You have to keep going up the stairs and connecting your scans, even though you won't see it. So you hit the little layers on the bottom right, right on the iPhone, it's right above that 2D, and then you hit add new floor and you save. Now, if you start on the first floor going to a basement, you can do the same thing. You can rename them floor 1, floor 2 if you want, but I found Matterport figures it out and straightens it out for you later. Your floor 1 can be the first floor, and floor 2 can be the basement or the second floor, and the same if you have the third floor. All right, so you see 68 kind of shows you the stairs going down, and just imagine 67 is there. The reason it doesn't show you 67 or the other ones, because it gets confusing and you don't want to mix your floors. I hope tips like this are helpful. If you have any questions about Matterport or real estate photography, comment below. See you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Oh, like, subscribe, join the membership club.